This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the 2016 Marcum MicroCap Conference here in New York City. I have with me Randy Milby from CorMedix. It's a publicly traded company and the symbol is CRMD. Randy, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. Thanks for having me.
It's good to have you. Let's get an overview on the company and then we'll go from there.
Great. CorMedix is a biopharmaceutical company that's developing a stable of novel products off of taurolidine, which is our active ingredient. Taurolidine is a non-antibiotic, anti-infective agent. So we're going into the applications would be in hemodialysis, oncology, and ICU. You can kind of think of it as any place that you have a long-standing catheter, that would be an application for Neutrolin, which is our lead product.
How does it work?
It has a unique mechanism of action. It works by breaking down the cell wall for both gram-negative and gram-positive in some fungi. This is the reason that there's no antibiotic resistance that's been developed with this product over 10 years that it's been on the market in the European Union.
What does it replace?
It's first in class. Right now, this is a solution that goes inside the catheter. There's no product that has that type of spectrum of activity on the market in the United States.
That seems unique to be inside the catheter.
Yes, it is, and that's why it works so effectively, because by staying inside the catheter, it's very effective at preventing the microorganisms from getting into the bloodstream.
So in a patient that is in the hospital where they say you can get infections more rapidly than you can in your own home, this would be a distinct advantage. Absolutely.
So think of the ICU patients where they have maybe having up to 9 catheters in their body, some triple lumens. Those are very active or very dangerous. They're very sick patients, frankly. And if you get an infection for those patients, it's life-threatening.
What's the size of the market, Randy?
We feel the size of the market for Neutrolin is over $1 billion in sales.
And you say you're selling right now in the European Union?
We're selling in the Middle East. And we've done some clinical studies, observational studies in Germany to use the data for a part of our safety package with the US FDA.
In terms of getting into the USA, when do you think that is a timely event?
So we're in phase 3 studies, as I mentioned. We've just started that in December. We'll finish the phase 3 study in hemodialysis in 2017. We'll be on the market in 2018 in the United States.
Where's this science developed?
The science is, this is a unique API for taurolidine, which is an amino acid derivative. And as I mentioned earlier, it's been on the market in a different form in the European Union for over 10 years.
And was it from a university? Did it derive from, was it on the market and you just picked it up? How did it work?
We picked up this asset from a former company called BioLink. So this was an acquired product, and then we licensed it.
What's your background?
I'm a pharmacist by training. Spent time in the military as a hospital pharmacist, then went for an MBA, worked at Bristol Myers, worked at Goldman Sachs, and then came to start working with smaller companies.
What made you do that?
It's a lot of fun. You can build a company from the ground up. You build your own team. You can, you're filling an unmet need.
Randy, let's get the website out there for more information for our investor audience.
The website is www.cormedix.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Randy Milby, CorMedix, and the stock trading symbol is CRMD. I'm Shelley Kraft, this is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the 2016 Marcum MicroCap Conference in New York City. Randy, thanks for coming on.
Shelley, thanks for having me on.
My pleasure.